Mumbai.
Rima
No,
is
no,
from
no,
Mumbai?
no, no, no. This is your. Oh, Rima is
London.
from London.
Oh wow. So should I open it, right?
I'll.
Wow, I think this is a book.
Book. Book. Viku. Book.
बहुत solid packing करके भेजी है यार रीमा ने.
Open it.
Oh wow, this is a lovely diary to make notes. My travel journal. Okay. So
Oh.
she's making sure that I come to London
London, yeah.
and write my experiences in it.
That is so sweet.
Wow, this is lovely. Awesome, awesome.
Oh.
Things to do. Oh, I actually needed something like this, and I'm really thankful that you read
Crazy.
my mind and gave me this. Wow. Dear Vikram, first of all, a very, very happy birthday to you. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day and even better year ahead. I just wanted to let you know that in many years of watching Indian TV, I have not found an actor who has it all.
Repeat.
Who has it all. The talent, the looks, the presence, everything. You literally have it all. You
Repeat,
literally
repeat,
have it all. It's so easy to fall for the physical looks which you are obviously blessed with.
Okay,
but
repeat.
which you're obviously blessed with, but you act your soul out, which makes us fall in love with with you entirely.
ये सब लिखा है क्या?
Those eyes speak volumes. The emotional intensity you have is just something else. Most guys as hot as you are too arrogant to seem attractive, but you have the sweetest personality ever, which makes you even hotter. So please don't ever change. I won't, trust me on that. I can't fault you in anything, but of course, as you are an actor, I will always wish that you get even better, and I'm sure that you wish for yourself too. Now some serious things. You studied in England, I live in England. You studied law, so did I. So why do I not have your number? Do you know how many times I have asked for it on Twitter? I'm just kidding. I apologize if any of our Beshram tweets embarrass you, but I know you love it. Yes, I do love it. One more thing, you and Shivani are hot patakas. I'm the one who asked you on Twitter, why are you both so hot? Oh, now I got you. Don't create us fans for that great chemistry. You guys are very special, the perfect blessed of passion, intensity, and bundle of cuteness. Love you so much, guys. God bless you, Vikram. Lots of love from Rima. Thank you, Rima. Hey, Vikram, happy birthday. I hope your day is awesome. Sending a lot of love and praise your way. I've seen your work when you played Imran in Kabul Hai. Don't talk about that. And since then you have really thrived and developed as an actor. Okay, so you wrote the point I meant. I have developed now as an actor. You have done an amazing job as Athav. I'm absolutely floored by how flawless your performance is, whether it's emotional, high impact scenes or the funnier scenes or stripping scenes.
Oh yeah, baby.
You deliver all of them to perfection. Easily the best actor I have seen, and of course every Vithav scene is only replay because your chemistry with Shivani is incredible and your scenes are authentic. Thank you so much from London. Lots of love from Sia. And please give a shout out to group of girls. We call them Beshram, Rima, Siada, Steph, Devanshi, Sia, Kinza, Ni and Pa. Thank you so much. बिल्कुल भी नहीं था यार.
बिल्कुल नहीं expected था ये, and yeah,
I'm floored.
I'm on cloud 9.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.